Hey, my name is Dylan with Repair Spots, and today I'm going to be showing you the repair details screen. So in order to get to the repair details screen, we'll just be going to repairs right here, and we'll click on any of these repairs that we've made. Here with this repair, on the repair details screen, we'll be able to see all of the important information about the repair. So we'll have the repair ID, its QR code, the date created, the repair shop it's at, the device's name, defective part, IMEI or serial number, the lot code, the repair cost estimated based on the parts that were added to the repair, the customer that brought in the device, the employee that submitted the repair, and the assigned technician to fix the device. We then have a list of defective parts and whether or not the device was non-testable. In this case, it was non-testable. We have the terms and conditions down here, the customer's signature, and then we have many quick actions to do based off of this repair. We can go to checkout, make a deposit, add parts and accessories, add a note to the repair, notify the customer on whether or not the device was repairable, remind the customer of the payment, print any information about the repair, update the repair status, order any parts or accessories necessary for the repair, email, or call. I'd also like to mention that ordering parts for the repair from this page will automatically link that order or accessories to this repair to the customer. We have payment history here on the right hand side with sales. We can go status and see any status changes that have been made in the past. So we have our status history, and then we have notes where we can see here, device LCD destroyed, untestable until LCD is replaced. We can see who put that note in and when. And then the bottom here, we have the total paid and the balance left to pay. We can go over here to customer to see actions that we can make about the customer. So we can either view the customer, change the customer, or update the customer's information. And then we can change the technician that is assigned to the repair. Now let's go ahead and go for a checkout. Automatically, it's going to add the parts that have already been listed into the repair on the time of creating it. We will type in our employee code to make the payment. We can go in cash, input the amount that the customer had given you, submit, and then we will be prompted to update the status of the repair. We can update, which will give us the option to select the warranty period that's going to be on the device. In this case, we'll add 1 month, submit. And there you have it. We finished our repair. Now we can go ahead and update the repair status. We'll again type in our employee code. And now we can go ahead and put on repaired. Again, it will give us the option to select a warranty period, but since we already did on the checkout, we'll just back out of this option. And then to finalize this order, we can go ahead and close the repair. Since it's already been paid, there's no more remaining balance, and there's nothing left to do with this repair. So we will continue, close the repair, and success, it's been closed. Now, again, we'll be given the option to update the warranty on the repair, but again, since we already did it in our checkout, we'll go ahead and dismiss this option. Now we'll be able to scroll down, and right here we'll see how many days are left on the warranty. Now if we go back to this repair by either getting the receipt and scanning the QR code, searching for the repair ID, or going through your list of closed repairs, you'll be able to see how much is left on that warranty starting from today. You can also edit information about the repair by going up here to the top right, typing in your employee code, and here we'll be able to change the device's name, the defective part, add an IMEI or serial number, lot code, change the repair costs estimate, and check for working parts. You can also delete the repair at the top right.